Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Battery above 20%, physical wireless switches and antenna unobstructed. Open settings now and toggle airplane mode on then off to reset radios. This clears transient stack locks. Next, check for quick OS updates and note the build number. Some fixes are build specific. While you're there, disable VPNs and security apps that may block tethering. These steps resolve most startup conflicts and prepare the system for deeper troubleshooting, so don't skip them. Once done with basics, reset network settings to remove corrupted profiles. Make a backup of Wi-Fi passwords first. On laptops or Android, reinstall or update wireless and Bluetooth drivers from Device Manager or OEM Utility to fix protocol mismatches. Verify router settings, DHCP tables, channel width, and whether AP isolation or MAC filters block connections. Also confirm Hotspot AP band and Bluetooth profiles match client capabilities. To finish, validate results. Try connecting a second device to the same hotspot or Bluetooth peripheral to determine whether the issue is host or client. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or create a clean user profile to rule out third-party app interference. Collect diagnostic logs, note error codes, and reproduce steps so you can escalate efficiently. If nothing else works, contact the device maker or carrier with those logs. They can identify firmware bugs or provisioning blocks and push a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.